Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a split screen effect with the help of CapCut, step-by-step tutorial. Whether you are making use of desktop mode, Android, iOS, this video will be very helpful because it will allow you to do some stuff and it will allow you to create multiple screen or split screen in your own desired form. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Let's get open CapCut and create new project. Open CapCut, click on new project, select your first video clip and tap add. Then I'm going to delete this CapCut ID. Then click on overlay, add overlay, select your second clip, add. Then you can use your hand to make it resize with the screen. Then the next thing you need to do is to drag it to the beginning of the video. Hold it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then if you want the video to be in the same length, you have to crop this, split it and delete. Then highlight the second video. Then click on splice, or you can call it blend. Then if you want to be seen through the video, you have to reduce this. You can see, then save. Then you can use your hand to drag the first clip or the second clip to the right, while the other one to the left. Then you can go back, highlight the second clip, click on splice, then increase it back. Highlight the second clip, click on mask. Then you can make use of any of this. But the one I'm going to make use of is horizontal. And see the way I did it. Then you can either use this to size it well, or use it this way, or half screen, any one you prefer using. Then you can be able to go on with it and save it. Then your two video will be playing at once. If you want to expand it to make it to fit in well so that the video will be displaying well, because it's to click on aspect ratio. Let's look for aspect ratio, click on it. Then you can either select the original, or you use TikTok, or you use 1.1. I'm going to make use of this 1.1. Use your hand to resize it well. And use your hand, make sure that you resize it to your own taste. Then we are done with the editing. You can do further editing before exporting your video. When you are done editing, you go ahead and export your video. This is the result, the outcome. That is it. That is how to do a split screen with the help of CapCut. Super easy, right? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumb up. Ask question if you have in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so it will notify you whenever I upload new video on YouTube. And you'll still get a notification on some other tutorial related to this, on how to make money on Facebook, or how to make money on YouTube. So stay tuned.